Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss about the time tag in HTML language. So let me open the compiler, and after that here you can see I have some HTML code here. So to add time tag, just I can use here paragraph tag, and I can add some text, for example open from, then here I can add time tag, and I can add some time here. Then here I can close this tag, and then I can add tag here, then again time tag, then again close the time tag. Then close the paragraph tag. So guys, here you can see time tag is similar to the paragraph tag, but time tag is special to display time and date. Now let me save it and then reload the page in the browser. So guys, here you can see time is added.